You've heard it 1,000 times. Drink 8 glasses of water a day. So you dutifully sip your water throughout the evening, thinking you're doing your body a favor. Then you spend half the night stumbling to the bathroom, your sleep shattered into fragments. Sound familiar? Here's what nobody tells you. Drinking plain water at night, especially as you get older, can actually work against your body's natural rhythms and leave you more dehydrated than when you started. Tonight, I'm going to show you why that bedside water glass might be sabotaging your sleep and what smart hydration actually looks like after 50. You'll learn the cellular secret that hospitals use to hydrate patients efficiently and how a simple switch can help you sleep through the night while keeping your body properly hydrated. Let's dive into why your current approach isn't working and what you should do instead. Nocturia, the medical term for frequent nighttime urination, affects over 50% of adults over 50. Most people assume it's just part of aging, but the real culprit is often how we hydrate, not how much. When you drink plain water before bed, you're essentially flooding your system with a liquid that your body can't hold on to efficiently. Now, here's what's really happening inside your cells when you drink plain water at night. Your kidneys detect the sudden influx of pure water. This dilutes your blood sodium levels. This triggers a cascade of hormonal responses. Your body releases antidiuretic hormone to try to retain water. But without proper electrolyte balance, this system becomes inefficient. The result? Your kidneys work overtime to process and eliminate the excess fluid, sending you to the bathroom repeatedly. The problem gets worse as we age. Our kidney function naturally declines. By age 60, your kidneys filter blood about 30% less efficiently than when you were 30. Your body also produces less aldosterone. This is the hormone that helps retain sodium and water. This means the plain water you're drinking gets processed and eliminated faster. The result? Your cells are actually more dehydrated despite all those bathroom trips. Now, pay attention to this next part because it's crucial. There's another factor most people don't consider. Cellular hydration versus systemic hydration. Think of your cells like tiny dry sponges. When you drink plain water, it's like pouring water over those sponges without any soap or cleaning agent. The water just rolls off the surface. Your cells need the right balance of sodium, potassium, and other electrolytes to actually absorb and retain water effectively, just like those sponges need soap to soak up water. Without these minerals, water passes right through your system without providing the cellular hydration your body craves. This is why you can drink water all evening and still wake up feeling parched and tired. Your blood may be diluted with water, but your cells remain thirsty. Meanwhile, your sleep has been disrupted multiple times, preventing your body from entering the deep, restorative sleep phases it needs for cellular repair and hormone regulation. Here's something that will surprise you. The medical community has known this secret for decades. When hospitals need to hydrate patients quickly and effectively, they don't use plain water. They use balanced electrolyte solutions that mirror your body's natural fluid composition. Think of it like this. Your blood is like a perfectly balanced soup, and when you add plain water, you're diluting that soup until it becomes tasteless and ineffective. But when hospitals add the right minerals, they're maintaining that perfect recipe your cells recognize and can actually use. But here's where it gets really interesting. Your body's natural circadian rhythm is trying to help you sleep through the night. As evening approaches, your kidneys naturally slow down like a factory switching to night shift, and your body increases production of antidiuretic hormone. This biological timing system is designed to help you sleep through the night without bathroom breaks. But when you flood your system with plain water, it's like forcing those tired kidney filters back into overdrive when they're supposed to be resting. The temperature of what you drink matters too. Cold water requires energy to warm up to body temperature, which can actually stimulate your metabolism and make you more alert when you're trying to wind down. Room temperature or slightly warm fluids work with your body's natural cooling process that signals bedtime. And here's the proof this works. Research from sleep medicine specialists shows something remarkable. People who switch from plain water to properly balanced electrolyte solutions before bed experience 40% fewer nighttime bathroom trips. They also maintain better hydration markers in morning blood tests. The key insight? Effective hydration isn't about volumes. It's about absorption and retention at the cellular level. This cellular approach to hydration becomes even more critical if you take medications that affect fluid balance, which many adults over 50 do. Blood pressure medications, diuretics, and even some antidepressants can interfere with your body's natural water retention mechanisms, making the electrolyte balance even more important for quality sleep and proper hydration. So now that you understand why plain water is working against you, what should you drink instead? I'm about to share the hydration secret that hospitals have been using for decades. And it's so simple, you probably have everything you need in your kitchen right now. The answer lies in creating a balanced electrolyte solution that mirrors your body's natural fluid composition. You don't need expensive sports drinks loaded with sugar and artificial colors. The most effective nighttime hydration comes from a simple combination of natural minerals that work with your body's circadian rhythm. Start with filtered or spring water as your base. Now here's the secret ingredient that changes everything. A pinch of high-quality sea salt. Not table salt, which is heavily processed and stripped of beneficial minerals, but unrefined sea salt or pink Himalayan salt that contains trace minerals your cells actually need. Use about 1/8 teaspoon per 8 ounces of water. This might sound counterintuitive, but this small amount of salt helps your cells absorb and retain the water instead of just flushing it through your system. Next, add a squeeze of fresh lemon or lime juice. The citrus provides natural potassium and helps balance the sodium while adding a pleasant taste that makes the drink more appealing. The vitamin C also supports your immune system during the overnight repair process. If you don't have fresh citrus, a small amount of apple cider vinegar works similarly and provides additional minerals like magnesium. Now, here's your sleep multiplier bonus. For those who want to take their nighttime hydration to the next level, consider adding what I call the sleep multiplier, magnesium powder or liquid magnesium to your mix. Think of magnesium as your body's natural relaxation switch. Most adults over 50 are running on empty when it comes to this essential mineral, which is why sleep feels so elusive. About 100 to 200 milligrams dissolved in your evening drink doesn't just improve hydration. It tells your muscles to relax and your nervous system to shift into sleep mode. Magnesium glycinate is the most bioavailable form and won't upset your stomach like other types might. The timing of this drink is just as important as the composition. Have your electrolyte solution about 60 to 90 minutes before your target bedtime. This gives your body enough time to absorb the minerals and achieve cellular hydration without creating urgent bathroom needs right as you're falling asleep. Sip it slowly over 15 to 20 minutes rather than gulping it down all at once. Temperature matters more than you might think. Room temperature or slightly warm water requires less energy for your body to process and won't shock your system into alertness. Some people find that adding a small amount of herbal tea like chamomile or passion flower to their electrolyte mix provides additional relaxation benefits without interfering with the mineral balance. If you're taking medications, especially blood pressure medications or diuretics, check with your doctor before making significant changes to your sodium intake. However, the small amount in this solution is typically well within safe limits and may actually help your medications work more effectively by supporting proper cellular function. Here's a practical recipe you can start tonight. 8 ounces of filtered water, 1/8 teaspoon of sea salt, juice from half a lemon, and if desired, 100 milligrams of magnesium glycinate powder. Stir until dissolved and sip slowly 60 to 90 minutes before bed. Many people notice fewer bathroom trips and better sleep quality within just a few nights of making this switch. You can also prepare this solution in advance. Mix larger batches and store them in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Just remember to let it come to room temperature before drinking in the evening. Some people prefer to make it slightly more concentrated and dilute it with additional water right before drinking. The beauty of this approach is its simplicity and how quickly it works. Unlike supplements that might take weeks to show effects, this cellular hydration approach often improves sleep quality within the first few nights. You're not fighting against your body's natural processes anymore. You're finally giving your cells the tools they need to work with your biology, not against it. For those who travel frequently, you can make single-serving packets by combining the dry ingredients in small containers, or even using high-quality electrolyte powder that doesn't contain added sugars or artificial ingredients. The key is maintaining that proper mineral balance that allows your cells to actually use the water you're providing. Tonight, skip that glass of plain water by your bedside and try the mineral solution instead. Mix 1/8 teaspoon of sea salt with 8 ounces of water, add fresh lemon juice, and sip it slowly 60 to 90 minutes before bed. Your cells will finally get the hydration they need while your kidneys can rest, giving you the uninterrupted sleep your body deserves. If this helped you understand better hydration, subscribe for more health tips that actually work.